Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and bang that bell. I am back with another banger. And as you guys can see, it's snowing. I told you guys stay tuned. And look, it's snowing. So I got the doggy dressed. Blue, come on. And we finna go play in the snow. Come on, Blue. I think she's scared. She don't know what it is.
Blue says she never seen that before. I hear some kids down there. Somebody drove through here. Mr. Mike, and then he drove back home.
Yeah. I don't think Blue likes it. Oh, she peeing. She peeing. She peeing in the snow, y'all. Yellow snow.
Haley and her pup in the snow.
I don't think she
really
likes it.
thick.
I don't think she likes it.
You don't like it?
I think she said she gonna chill right there. Oh,
It's thick. Look how.
I made the snowman.
A lot.
I feel like we got the best yard for this. Y'all, Ellie's trying to make a snowman
Where you started it
right here. I kind of forgot how
at? You just made one last week in New York.
it wasn't even a snowman.
Poor little tree. Freezing.
Get freezing some more. It'll be fine.
Blue keep coming back on the sidewalk.
'Cause it's cold. She a dog though. She'll be fine. 'Cause dog got that fur. And she fine right there too. She come out here when she was doing the
What you got that out for?
I was trying to slide down there, but you said this was safe.
You fall on that concrete.
Snow angel.
Yep.
Right here. Right now.
No, we can do it on the side right there.
The sidewalk.
Right here.
Right here.
Ooh. Ooh.
Right here.
No, here. Well, that's fine. You can do it there.
Okay, ready? Oh, my booty.
Haley's making a snow angel. Scrub.
Is it done?
Nope, it's not. Keep scrubbing.
Keep scrubbing.
It's thick. Okay, get up.
Okay. Oh!
It's there. You can get the concept.
It's beautiful, guys. I made a snow angel, and look how
It's covering back up real quick.
it's snowing a lot. This is the funnest I've ever had in snow.
Ooh.
I'm warm.
I'm slipping and sliding. Look how thick that.
And where do you think you're going, Nikki?
You see the neighbor attempted to go to work.
You turned around.
Turned around.
Oh, that was fun. Blue, come here. Oh, she under your car. Come here. Come out. Come out.
Blue say that's like rain to her.
Come out, Blue.
Don't worry, come on. Come on back over here.
That's why you been.
You missed too. Come on back over here.
Hey, what's up?
I don't know. Goodbye, doggy. You don't know if you go back home.
Blue.
Bye.
Blue.
Hey. Come here, Blue.
Stop! Stop putting on my glove! No! I don't wanna. Really stop! This is for my baby!
Not for the safety. You miss. Going back to building the snowman. He gonna be, he little.
Can you be big?
Yeah,
Oh, okay then.
a little bit.
Huh?
The bottom piece.
Oh my god, I forgot how to make a snowman. No.
You almost got a whole snowman.
Almost. Almost.
Haley almost has her.
Okay, so he got his beanie on. We need to add his eyes. Hold on. I need to make these stick in the way.
Need to go up a little bit.
Huh? Okay. Oh. Hey!
Hey!
Okay, we're gonna put this in for his nose.
All right.
Okay. Did we get him anything for his
His-
smile?
His scarf.
Oh, right, his scarf. Okay, got his red scarf. Got his beanie on. And his scarf. I'm not sure how to do a scarf. And there we go. Wait, no, it's not. We need a smile.
Oh, okay. Find a stick for a smile.
Okay, y'all.
Haley
Guys,
wanted to add a smile.
Where the smile, boy? Smile. Here we go. Now, our snowman is complete. I'm not gonna do it.
Okay, guys. We're headed to the backyard.
I'm going in the backyard.
Haley, you right. Last time it was more snow than this because all those trees were white.
I want to use my thing to fall down there.
Do what?
My little thing and go down there.
Go get it. Come here, Blue.
Go.
She'll move.
Okay. Y'all ready? Whoa, whoa. Okay. Whoa, whoa. Stop! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Blue said, get up.
You want to fight me? That was fun. Come out of the glove back there. Come out and do it again. You're not working no more.
Because you're trying to go on the same one. Go on this one beside it.
Huh?
Get beside it.
Move, one right, not the ball. Oh, right here. Okay, this is steep. Y'all ready? Stop.
Blue said, get up. Blue said, get up.
Stop.
She playing. You know Blue don't attack. Blue, you enjoying this weather, huh?
Snow. Come on, Blue. Okay, y'all ready? You ready?
Haley He decides to get on the trampoline
It's thicker than I
in the
thought it
snow.
was.
It's a blanket.
I can't even bounce it. Hold on, I'm gonna look at my sled. Can you
You're
look
not
at my
gonna
sled?
do anything but slip down.
Guys, I had so much fun playing in the snow. And as you can see, the snow was melting. We only had 1 day of snow. So, hope you guys had fun in the snow if you guys had some. It was a big old snowstorm, and they're saying we might have another one, right? So, hopefully, if we do, stay tuned for that. Anyways, watch my recent videos. Have a lot more coming up. Stay tuned. Anyways, love you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. Peace.